Hi guys, my name is Bobby Janik, and you may recognize me from a show that aired on True TV a few years ago called Hardcore Pawn. You may also recognize me from last year's contest that I was a part of with Rislone, where we actually gave away a 700 horsepower Mustang. Well, today I'm in the Rislone garage, and we're not giving away another Mustang. Matter of fact, this is my car, and you probably don't want it. But what we are here to do today is kind of show you guys a little something different. Typically when we get customer reviews, we'll put them on our social media and throw them out there and let you guys read them. Today though, we actually got one of the most complete reviews ever for one of our products, and I just want to share that with you guys today. So this review comes to us from Ryan S. in Oklahoma, and he's actually writing in for our Nano Prime engine and oil performance booster. Ryan writes, Rislone's Nano Prime engine oil booster is the real deal. I put more than 1,500 miles on my engine since the initial review, and I think it's safe to say that this product works extremely well. I say this because I'm using Nano Prime along with Royal Purple's 5W30 fully synthetic engine oil. I've used the highly regarded Royal Purple oil for years, and though it works very well on its own in combating internal friction, it works far better when complemented with Nano Prime. Together, they're quite the duo. I could see inside my crankcase well enough to see the lifters and lobes, which are normally a darker color when I got my car. I looked inside the crankcase more recently and couldn't believe how much cleaner everything looks in just that cavity where the oil has touched the moving parts. Another upcoming oil change should remove everything that your product has chemically scrubbed from inside my vehicle's internals. Again, what a fantastic product, and it's well worth the premium I spent. Thank you. And we want to thank you, Ryan. You know, we've been in business since 1921, and we work with these products literally every day. So we know what they're capable of. But when a customer takes time to give us a review like this, as a company, we really appreciate it.